You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all correctly this word in German from German. Grün, this is the color green in German. How to say green in German? Grün. You have this very specific Ü sound with the U and an umlaut, you know, the double dots, Ü. Grün. You cannot pronounce it. Well, in English it's generally pronounced as grün, but grün is how you want to say it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.